For today, let's look at this elementary but interesting problem regarding quadratic equation. Suppose alpha and beta are roots of x squared minus 4x minus 1 equals 0. We also find the value of alpha to the power of 4 plus 4 beta to the power of 3 plus 4 beta. Please have a good try before you look at the answer. We present three different methods to solve this problem. For method number 1, we'll solve this quadratic equation. Given that x squared minus 4x minus 1 equals 0, by completing the square, we obtain x minus 2 squared minus 5 equals 0. This means that x equals 2 plus minus square root of 5. Since alpha beta are the roots of the equation, we may suppose alpha equals to 2 plus square root of 5 and beta equals to 2 minus square root of 5. We'll consider the other case afterwards. So using this assumption, alpha squared equals to 2 plus square root of 5 squared, which equals to 4 plus 5 plus 4 square root of 5, which equals to 9 plus 4 square root of 5. For alpha to the power of 4, it is square of alpha squared. 9 plus 4 square root of 5 squared, direct calculation will give us 161 plus 72 square root of 5. From beta equals to 2 minus square root of 5, beta squared equals to 2 minus square root of 5 squared, which equals to 9 minus 4 square root of 5. Beta power 3 equals to beta times beta squared. So it is 2 minus square root of 5 times 9 minus 4 square root of 5. Again, direct calculation gives us beta power 3 equals 38 minus 17 square root of 5. With this, the expression alpha power 4 plus 4 beta power 3 plus 4 beta equals 161 plus 72 square root of 5 plus 4 times 38 minus 17 square root of 5 plus 4 times 2 minus square root of 5. Separate this number as two groups, one group without square root of 5 and one group with square root of 5. And note that the term in square root of 5 is 0. So we left with 161 plus 152 plus 8, which means that the answer is 3 to 1. This is based on the assumption alpha equals to 2 plus square root of 5 and beta equal 2 minus square root of 5. In fact, we'll get exactly the same solution if alpha equals to 2 minus square root of 5 and beta equals to 2 plus square root of 5. Now we proceed to method 2. Since alpha beta are roots of the equation x squared minus 4x minus 1 equals 0, it means that alpha and beta will satisfy the equation. This means that alpha squared minus 4 alpha minus 1 equals to 0, and beta squared minus 4 beta minus 1 equals 0. So from the first equation, we know that alpha squared equals to 4 alpha plus 1. And therefore, alpha power 4 equals to square of alpha squared equals to 4 alpha plus 1 squared. Expand it and we have 16 alpha squared plus 8 alpha plus 1. Since alpha squared equals to 4 alpha plus 1, we substitute alpha squared equals to 4 alpha plus 1. And finally, we have alpha power 4 equals to 72 alpha plus 17. We do the same thing for the beta. Beta power 3 equals to 4 beta plus 1. So beta power 3 equals to 4 beta squared plus beta. Using the same argument, finally we get beta power 3 equals to 17 beta power 4. So the expression alpha power 4 plus 4 beta power 3 plus 4 beta equals 72 alpha plus 17 plus 4 times 17 beta plus 4 plus 4 beta. We group the expression with alpha and beta, we obtain 72 alpha plus beta, and the rest is 17 and 16. Since alpha and beta are the roots of x squared minus 4x minus 1 equals 0, so alpha plus beta equals 4. So substitute x equals to 4, and direct calculation gives us the answer equals to 3 to 1. So this is end of method 2. Now let us proceed to method 3. For the first part of this is similar to the method 1. Since alpha beta are the roots of x squared minus 4x minus 1 equals 0, using Vieta formula, the sum of the root alpha plus beta equals 4 and the product of root equals to -1. We'll use this result later. And since alpha beta are the roots of equation, they satisfy the equation, namely alpha square minus 4 alpha minus 1 equals 0 and beta square minus 4 beta minus 1 equals 0. These two equations give alpha square equals to 4 alpha plus 1 and beta square equals to 4 beta plus 1. If we multiply each term by alpha for the first equation and each term in the second equation by beta, we obtain alpha power 3 equals 4 alpha square plus alpha. And beta power 3 equals to 4 beta square plus beta. Using the similar argument, we obtain the next set of equation that is alpha power 4 equals to 4 alpha power 3 plus alpha square. And also beta power 4 equals to 4 beta power 3 plus beta square. By adding alpha square and beta square, we know that alpha square plus beta square equals to 4 alpha plus beta plus 2. Since alpha plus beta equals to 4, then alpha square plus beta square equals to 18. Using the similar argument, we obtain the value for alpha power 3 plus beta power 3 and alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. Using the value that we obtained just now, I plus j equals 322 plus 4 times 76 plus 4 times 4. And is equals to 642. So by symmetry, we know that I will equal to j and therefore equals to half of I plus j, which means that I will equal to half of 642 equals to 321. And this is end of method 3. So we present you 3 different methods and all of them give the answer 321. Hope that you learned something new today and enjoyed this video. That's all for today's lesson. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.